Studios right now, and I got some of my OGs in the back that's gonna rock on this mic with me. We represent for the boiler room right now, man, right here in Big Memphis, you dig? And we're gonna kick it off a little something like this here. JB, hit it. It's easy. I'm a OG in this game, some call me Godfather in other words. One of the pioneers that helped to get it started. Got a shot of Spanish fly, gangsta bad, the pretty Tony, ain't calling MJG. Skinny from the one and only DJ Squeaky Tom Ski. Project players, criminal man. DJ Zerk, too big, had a lizard on the game. Shout out Tommy Wright the third and the 10 most wanted. Tila James, SMK and Freak now. Triple six, what's a click? Play a flying gangsta black. Man, I love the way they put that SPV up on the map. Can't forget that North, gotta mention Project Black. We were blessed with two queens, Gangsta Blue and Lil Jack. Frazier Boy, Lil White, hold it down for the bay. Cooster niggas, Lord, Infamous DJ Paul, Juicy J, Taylor Boys, Alcatraz, yeah, I can't forget service. Agabizzi, Agaboni, Memphis, Pride of Business. Town, underground, gangsta, when we put it down, dirty south, gangsta, music, riches, latest, other sound, town, underground, gangsta, when we put it down, dirty south, gangsta, music, riches, latest, other sound, Memphis, riches, latest, other sound, dirty south, gangsta, when we ready, sound, Memphis, riches, latest, other sound, town, underground, gangsta, when we put it down, South Memphis, North Memphis,